I'm sorry.
This is a cash grab demo raffle. You got 40 seconds to grab as much cash as you can while he's playing and giving a full tilt.
Uh-oh. What do we have in this thing, sir?
12 sundown XP2 12s on 6 surge 7 case.
You don't have to go full, just get where it's winning.
No, we going full tilt. We're not giving him half of nothing.
He's going to do another one if there's money.
Okay. All right, now, no cheating, sir. And remember, whatever you get, you split half up with the base money.
Definitely not.
Oh, my gosh.
We don't want to flying out that way. We keep off. Crack? Okay, yeah, you crack it. Yeah.
All right.
You got the timer?
Yep. 4 seconds. I got all of it.
No, he didn't get all of it.
Uh-oh, we got something to pour.
All right.
Uh-oh.
All right, you got a few dollars left in here.
Oh, some money on the tent. Uh-oh. How much you get, sir? Oh, my goodness. All right, I'm taking my cut. Whoa.
Well, you got $5 here. Just give me that $5.
He said, you got $5. You got to earn that $5.
Just give me that $5.
You got to work for that $5. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, there's money on the ground.
This is a learning experience.
Behind you.
Where's one at here?
Hey, that was a good song, too. That was a good song.
Let's see. Well, Nick, you got 1, 2, 3. Here's more right here.
Oh.
5,
We got so much more.
8, 9, 10, 14.
Oh, yeah. You got about $25 to win. Golly, y'all.
I'm just saying if there's any more back here.
40 seconds. No.
You gotta grab by your hand.
The rest goes to the owner.
You get the rest wherever you find your truck, it's yours, man.